Anyway, bro, what is this? Maybe people want to see what is all about.
Okay, the device name is called EcoFrame.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a on-demand hydrogen gas production system.
Cameraman, you may squeeze, just look, don't cast
Yeah.
stay far. Yes.
So it's a on-demand hydrogen production system in which we use the hydrogen for cooking.
Hydrogen for cooking.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we do the extraction of that hydrogen gas from water.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is just like a stove, but the difference is we use the only hydrogen for cooking purposes.
Yeah, from water.
From water.
Yeah.
And why did you decide to design this? What was maybe the problem associated with your designs?
Okay, there are two main problems that were associated with that caused the design of this machine.
Yes.
First off is the problem of prices.
Yes.
We see gas prices and fuel prices fluctuate depending on the current political states of oil companies and oil states and stuff like that.
Yes.
Like the wars that are happening in the Middle East right now, causing prices to spike up.
Yes.
But we thought there's a very abundant source of fuel, that is water. Contains hydrogen that can be reused and repurposed to make more water and more gas and be used for cooking and stuff like that.
You know, I'm still also wondering how could hydrogen extracted from water and then being transformed so as it can produce heat for used for various cooking appliances.
Okay, naturally hydrogen is a fuel.
Yeah, of course.
It burns. It's a flammable gas. So what we do is a chemical-based process in which we do extraction through chemicals. Normal chemicals, not toxic ones.
Yes, yes.
We use chemicals called caustic soda and also aluminium in order to do that extraction of hydrogen from the water. So we split the water. Water contains hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules.
Yes.
So we split those two gases. We make each gas separate. Then we extract the hydrogen alone, and we can use it in order for our users and stuff like that.
Okay. The hydrogen, oxygen are being separated from water, and hydrogen is used as a fuel. Maybe you can show us the machines, the way it looks like to the outside. This is the machine. This is the we can call it. What is the name, by the way?
The name of the machine is called the Atlas Hydrogen Reactor. Atlas.
Yeah. Atlas Hydrogen Reactor.
From EcoFrame Labs.
From EcoFrame Labs.
Yeah.
And how maybe the configuration inside, how it is being installed to insides.
Okay.
Maybe we can see the way it is.
Don't worry, we can open it.
Open. Yeah.
Okay. So this is just a prototype.
Yes.
The water that we use is being dosed with sodium hydroxide.
Yes.
So it starts off from here.
Yes.
This is a primary chamber or the water reservoir in which the water is stored and dosed with sodium hydroxide. When needed, you just turn on the machine and water will be pumped using this pump into the main reactor. Yeah. Now, it can just stay there, but when you need to make gas in order to cook, we use aluminiums. Either aluminum foils or aluminum rods or granules that we manufacture ourselves at EcoFrame Labs in order for the cooking usage, but these are just for demos. When the aluminum is placed into the reactor, the gas can get started to getting produced almost immediately.
Yeah.
Okay. So when the gas is produced, it comes off. It goes to the first chamber, in which it's going to be separated from foam and bubbles.
Yeah.
After that, we go through the condensing stage, in which the waters and steam or moisture or stuff like that will be separated and turned into a liquid. After that, it will be drained. The condensed steam will be drained, and after that, it will be cooled into this third chamber, which is called the barbara, where its main purpose is to cool the gas so it can burn more efficiently. Yeah. And after that, it can be connected into your main stove, like the normal stove that you use at your homes. Or you can make a custom stove like this one, which works with hydrogen gas.
Yes.
So it's just a stove, just like the normal stove.
Okay.
But this one is been designed specifically to work with hydrogen.
Yeah. And maybe we can think, when we are designing things, we think about the cost to the users. As they can see inside, it's like it costs a lot of things inside. How much can be can be to a person who wants to buy it?
Okay.
It can be such costly to him.
Okay, there are two costs when buying or you needing to operate this machine. The first off is the monthly cost, which is the reagents. the sodium hydroxide solution, and also the aluminium, which cost around 15 to 18,000 per month.
15.
Yeah.
It's a small amount of money.
It's a small amount. Also, it was our target since the designing of this machine to make it 40 to 50% cheaper than all other conventional fuels. The cost for installation depends on the needs of the user and also the capacity of the machine itself. It costs around 100,000 to 380,000, depending on the size and the user amount and stuff like that. But say for a single person up to a family of 4 or 6, it will cost around 100,000 to 270,000.
Okay.
But for businesses and stuff like that, it will cost from 280,000 upwards up to 380. But over that, those are custom prices for bigger people's like restaurants and hotels and stuff like that.
So it means the starting cost is only high, but the operational cost as you
it's
go
a
on.
one-time cost, a one-time investment that you make. But after that, you will save up to 300,000 per year instead of buying gas when buying this one.
But then what is this cost?
This specifically, or
I mean, what's your cost, by the way?
What my cost?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Your program that you had pursuing.
Okay. It kind of baffles people most of the time when I say it. I studied agricultural technology.
Agricultural technology.
Yeah.
Agricultural technology, and it still make a lot of things that comprises of mechanical, electrical, and other technology. This is only in mbeya University. Bro, you're so awesome. And you created this on your own.
I have a team.
You have a team.
Yeah, but the core technology, that's the one that I made myself. Actually, the whole world, there's only 4 patents, where 3 of them are from other countries, and this is the 4th.
And what's your expectation after this project has been launched to the people?
Mainly, my expectation is to reduce the dependency of our country from the dependency of fuels in our country from other countries. So instead of importing fuels like petrol, diesel, and natural gas from outside, hopefully we'll move on from that and make our own fuels right here at home, and also to reduce the cost of living